Artificial intelligence, AI, is poised to play a transformative role in the future of healthcare, reshaping the way doctors work and improving patient care. Here are some key ways AI is expected to impact the medical field. 1. Enhanced diagnostics. AI algorithms can analyze medical images such as X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans with high accuracy, often detecting conditions that might be missed by human eyes. This can lead to earlier and more accurate diagnoses, improving patient outcomes. For example, AI-powered diagnostic tools can identify early signs of cancer, enabling timely intervention and better prognosis. 2. Personalized treatment plans. AI can analyze vast amounts of patient data, including genetic information, to create personalized treatment plans tailored to individual needs. This approach, known as precision medicine, can lead to more effective treatments with fewer side effects. By considering a patient's unique genetic makeup, lifestyle, and medical history, AI can recommend targeted therapies and predict how patients will respond to specific treatments. 3. Predictive analytics. AI can predict disease outbreaks and patient deterioration by analyzing patterns in health data. This allows healthcare providers to intervene early, potentially preventing serious health issues. For instance, AI-driven predictive models can forecast the likelihood of patients developing chronic conditions like diabetes or heart disease, allowing for proactive management and preventive measures. 4. Administrative efficiency. AI can automate routine administrative tasks such as scheduling appointments, processing insurance claims, and managing patient records. This frees up doctors to focus more on patient care. AI-powered systems can streamline administrative workflows, reduce errors, and enhance the overall efficiency of healthcare facilities. Virtual health assistants. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants can provide patients with information, answer questions, and offer support, reducing the burden on healthcare professionals and improving patient engagement. These virtual assistants can help patients with appointment scheduling, medication reminders, and managing chronic conditions by providing timely and personalized advice. 6. Robotic surgery. AI-driven robots can assist surgeons in performing complex procedures with precision and control, leading to better surgical outcomes and faster recovery times for patients. Robotic surgery systems, guided by AI, can enhance the accuracy of surgical procedures, reduce the risk of complications, and minimize invasiveness, resulting in shorter hospital stays and quicker patient recovery. 7. Continuous monitoring. Wearable devices and AI can continuously monitor patients' vital signs and health metrics, providing real-time data to healthcare providers. This can help in managing chronic conditions and ensuring timely interventions. AI-driven wearable devices can track parameters like heart rate, blood pressure, and glucose levels, alerting healthcare providers to any abnormalities and enabling prompt medical attention. Drug discovery. AI can accelerate the drug discovery process by analyzing large data sets to identify potential drug candidates and predict their efficacy. This can significantly reduce the time and cost of bringing new drugs to market. AI algorithms can screen vast libraries of compounds, simulate their interactions with biological targets, and identify promising candidates for further development and clinical trials. 9. Upskilling healthcare professionals. AI can support the upskilling of healthcare workers by providing them with access to the latest information, training resources, and decision support tools. This can help address workforce shortages and improve the quality of care. AI-powered platforms can offer medical professionals continuous education, clinical decision support, and evidence-based guidelines to enhance their knowledge and skills. 10. Ethical and regulatory considerations. As AI becomes more integrated into healthcare, ethical and regulatory frameworks will need to evolve to ensure patient privacy, data security, and equitable access to AI-driven healthcare solutions. It is essential to establish guidelines for the responsible use of AI, address potential biases, and ensure that AI technologies are deployed in ways that benefit all patients. The future of healthcare will likely see a blend of human expertise and AI-driven innovations, working together to provide better, more efficient, and personalized care for patients. By leveraging the strengths of AI while maintaining a human touch, the healthcare industry can achieve remarkable advancements in patient care and outcomes. The integration of AI in healthcare holds great promise, and with careful consideration of ethical and regulatory aspects, it can lead to a healthier and more equitable future.